It's your friendly math tutor, Miss C, here to unlock the magic of writing an equation of a line in point-slope form. Here is our equation in point-slope form. So you can see that this line equation has the slope, which is m. It also contains a point, x sub 1 and y sub 1. So as a reminder, we write points like this. We write them as coordinate pairs. All right, let's go ahead and get to it. So in this example, we are going to write the equation of our line where slope is 3 and it's passing through the point 9, 5. So everywhere I see x sub 1, I'm going to be plugging in 9. Everywhere I see y sub 1, I'm going to be plugging in 5. So here we go. So y minus, so my y sub 1 value is 5, equals my slope, which is 3, times the quantity x minus my x sub 1 value is right here, which is 9. And this is our equation in point slope form. All right, the next one's a little trickier because you're going to notice that we have several negative numbers. So we're going to do the same thing again. I'm going to write x sub 1 up here, y sub 1 here. So in this equation, we have y minus, and I'm going to use parentheses, negative 7 equals my slope of negative 4 times the quantity x minus, and then we have negative 2 here. You could do that in parentheses like that. This equation is technically correct, but we could make it simplified, and that's more correct. So two negatives in math make a positive. So y minus negative is the same thing as saying y plus, in this case 7, equals negative 4 still stays negative. And then we have x minus a negative. Two negatives make a positive in math, plus 2. So our simplified version is right here. Thank you for unlocking the magic of writing an equation of a line in point slope form with me. Till next time.